We manufacture any of the brake and fuel lines.
Where you guys at?
Ohio. Yeah, made right there. This is a 99. Newer style, you know.
New body? 99?
Yeah, new body 99. But we go back to 47, but we got up to 2018 right now.
You stock and
Yeah, everything. We always constantly try to keep inventory in stock.
So your fuel lines come as braided?
We do both. Now, I will tell you, that is by far, we sell way more of the braided stuff. We include all the new stainless brackets and hardware.
Straight tube?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, okay.
We can do straight tube, we can do rolls. We can sell 25-foot rolls. We have fitting kits if you like. If you want to, do it DIY, but off the shelf, we got a lot of pre-bent stuff ready to go. All CNC bent, CNC flared.
Hi guys! We sell kits. We sell the pre-bent, pre-formed, flared, fitted brake lines and fuel lines. Transmission lines?
Yeah.
Okay, so we sell those in kits, yes. Those will be the complete kit for the transmission lines. A lot of our kits, we separate them in the front, intermediate, and the rear. Yeah, so just give us a call and we'll see what we can do for you. We'd be more than happy to help.
Our owner started as a Mustang guy. Did all the old Mustangs first. That was his passion.
Well, you could filter, and you can choose brake hoses, choke lines, the conversion kits. If you have a disc brake conversion kit on it, we also do make the lines for the conversions as well already.
Is the hose
PTFE.
It is.
So the E85 and all that, it's good for. So length and what ends you're actually looking for, what's it going in, right? So once we have the information, no problem. We could walk right out and have you hose in minutes.
We'll be in touch.
Yeah, sounds good. Thanks, guys. Thanks for stopping in.
Thank you.
Thanks. We stock pre-bent, ready to go on the shelf. Website's SSTubes.com. It's got a year, make, model search on it. Plug in whatever car you're working on. See what we got. But we got a lot of stuff. So over 6,400 finished goods. Just like this, the Duramax is also running the same location. Your brake lines will look just like this. This is basically the same setup as your brake line. Ready to go.
Screw and screw in.
Ready to go.